Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. It's many different times around the world, but I would like to welcome you back to Bodwell. Whether you're here in boarding or in homestay or living in the community or in the many countries around the world, this is the first time that we've had an assembly like this before. I'm glad we're able to reunite as a school and to spend a little bit of time together hearing from a few different speakers from all over the world.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gooby, and hi everybody in Bodwell and across the world. First of all, I would like to say that I miss Bodwell very much, and when I say that, I mean the people.
It's really unbelievable that our school, our students, our teachers, and our parents are combating, are fighting these challenges in this manner.
I wanted to let you guys know that how much I miss all of you. It's hard for all of us, this whole situation, but I hope someday, somewhere we can meet again.
Let's reflect and decide what's important in our lives. Share our good fortune with others, be a mentor to others, and to pursue your passions.
When I think about some of the things that I miss most, I think about how much I miss Bodwell more than I thought I would. I think about how much I miss eating dinner with my friends, how much I miss seeing my favorite teachers, the activities I did, and the cooler weather in Vancouver.
During these times of uncertainty and darkness, how our spirit really is the force that helps us thrive, it helps us to be strong, and it really pushes us forward.
So I think more now than ever before, we really need to think about how can we find that peace, that balance, that harmony, and reflect consciously on how are we spending our time and energy.
And I know we've all been through a lot, but I believe together we can overcome this challenge and reunite as a whole school again. And I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Thank you and goodbye.